Welcome back to Rocky Knob Farming, our YouTube channel. I'm Jason Akers. Just wanted to give you all an update on what we've been doing the last few days. We've been cultivating the corn that's already up. Tanner's been doing that. We're tilling and trying to get ready for new field planting, and trying to stay ahead and try to stay on schedule so that we don't have all the corn coming in at one time. But the weather's been so crazy, you know, it's hard to be accurate 100%, but you just gotta plant the seed and wait on the good Lord to bring the harvest. Tanner and Jacob's been working on the fence most of the week. From where the ice storm had hit, there's trees down everywhere, and we're trying to get some of the fence fixed. There's a lot of places in the fence that we've even rerouted it because there were so many trees down in one section. It was nearly impossible to move all of them. Here Jacob's cutting a path through all these trees that are down to try to build the fence back. Here's where the fence went through. The corn's looking real good. We try to keep the fields mowed around the edges. It just seems to make everything look better. Stay tuned and watch a video. I'm going to do some disking in the field. I went through this field here one time, and I'm getting ready to go through it again, and hopefully we're going to till it and plant it tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.